They can't sue. They can't sue Uber. Bless you. Married couple from New Jersey. We don't care about New Jersey anyway. John and Georgia McGinty were involved in a severe accident while riding in an Uber in March of 2022. The Uber driver ran a red light and was hit by another vehicle, causing significant physical, psychological, and financial harm to the couple, they say. Georgia suffered multiple fractures, including those to her cervical, lumbar, spine, and ribs, necessitating surgeries and lots of other medical procedures. Oh, there's the Uber. Wow, yeah, that's a bad wreck. John explained, John experienced a diminished use of his left wrist and a fractured sternum. Jesus. Despite the injuries, the couple is unable to sue Uber due to an arbitration agreement they accepted when using Uber Eats. So this wasn't even Uber Rides. This was Uber Eats. This was ruled by an appellate court. The court's decision was based on the fact that the McGintys, both of them, had agreed to Uber's terms of service. That's why we got to read these things. I know still nobody's going to do it, but you should. Which included a binding arbitration clause. This agreement was accepted with their minor daughter using Georgia's phone, ordered from Uber Eats, and clicked the button verifying she was 18 years old. Oh, well, if she wasn't and she accepted the terms, maybe there's a loophole for them there. I don't know. I guess it doesn't seem like it. Terms of service, which apply to both Uber Eats and Uber Rides, state that disputes related to auto accidents or personal injuries must be resolved through arbitration rather than in court.
Yeah.
It's pretty standard in a lot of contracts.
I think tomorrow the question of the day is worst Uber ride you've had. I've had some really bad Uber rides. So.
I didn't even get an Uber until my trip to New York. I didn't even download the Uber app until I went to New York. So I am a brand new Uber user. But I had a great Uber ride up there. Boy, that guy was riding on the shoulders. He was breaking all the traffic laws. It was wonderful. It was excellent. So looks like the McGintys will be unable to get anything for this accident, which is pretty unfortunate. But you do have to look for this. This is pretty standard in a lot of contracts now. A lot of them put this in there. It's amazing what you'll find in some of these contracts if you actually read them, which, again, none of us do. But all that weird stuff's in there. All right, let's see. We got a $6.5 million sale of the Parkway Place shops in St. Johns County.